Good day everyone, welcome back to my channel, Review Math Always, RMA channel. Okay, now we have this kind of localized NMP activity. Then I will teach you now how to simplify this kind of given. Okay, now we're going to solve given number 1. 4 times the quantity of 6 times 4 plus 20 minus 7 minus 11 plus 4 squared. Okay, ang una mong gagawin ay i-multiply muna natin. Tanggalin natin yung parenthesis gamit yung ating rule. Okay, una natin tanggalin yung parenthesis. Then, isunod na din natin yung exponent. Okay, 4 times, that is 6 times 4, which is 24. Then, 20 minus 7, 13. Then, yung 4 squared ay 16. Okay, tinanggal natin ngayon ang parenthesis at saka yung exponent. Then, what will happen? 4 times 24 plus 13 minus 11 plus 16. Next, we have 4 times 24, i-multiply natin to, which is 96. Then, kinopya lang natin, copy 13, bring down negative 11 plus 16. What is next? I-add na natin to. 96 plus 13 is 109. Kinopya uli natin, negative 11 plus 16. Sunod, in-add muna natin, 109 plus 16 is 125, saka tayo nag-minus ng 11. Kaya 125 minus 11 is 114. Therefore, the final answer for this given is 114. Okay, given number 2, 3 times the quantity of 2 plus 4 squared minus 9 times the quantity of 3 plus 2 plus 5 minus 3 squared. Okay, ito yung ginawa natin, equals 3 times, inad muna natin uli yung may parenthesis. 2 plus 4, which is 6, then 3 plus 2, which is 5. Then sinimplify natin yung exponent, yung exponential form na 3 squared, which is 9. Then, ito na nga yung ginawa natin, 3 times 6 squared minus 9 times 5 plus 5 minus 9. Sunod, sinimplify muna natin yung exponent. 6 squared is 36. Then 3 times 36 minus 9 times 5 is 45. Then, pinarform na natin yung integers. Positive 5 minus 9 is negative 4. As we can see, ang positive 5 minus 9 is unlike sign. So, subtract natin. Then, copy the sign which is the bigger absolute value. Then, we have this one. 3 times 36 is 108 minus negative 45 minus 4 is like sign, that is copy the sign, then add negative 49. Then 108 minus 49, subtract lang natin, ang magiging sagot ay 59. Therefore, the final answer for this given is 59. Okay, given number 3, 20 minus 8 plus 36 minus 7 plus 20 plus 3. Okay, now what are you going to do? Okay, you are going to simplify it using the MDAS rule, etc. As long as tama yung ating magiging sagot. Okay, equals, ang ginawa ko muna dito, inuna ko muna kasi pwede rin naman pagbaligtadin sa algebra o sa algebraic expression, pwede naman kahit alin ang mauna ng negatives and positive. As long as tama yung magiging sagot mo at dadalhin mo yung sign ng number. Okay? 20 minus 8 is 12. Then 36 minus 7, kinopya muna yon. Ayan, ang sinimplify ko lang muna dito ay yung nauna. 20 minus 8 is 12. Then, sinimplify ko siya, 12 plus 36, naging 48. Minus 7 plus 23. Bakit nga pala naging 23 to? Kasi inad ko na yung dulo, 20 plus 3, kaya 23 na siya. Okay, we have 48 minus 7 plus 23. Bakit naging 48? Kasi inad ko na yung 12 at saka 36. Then, we have 48 minus 7 is 41. 41 plus 23 is, ang sagot dito ay 64. Therefore, the final answer for this is 64. Okay, given number 4, we have 2 times the quantity of 8 plus 4 plus the quantity of 42 plus 2 plus 6 plus 5 squared. Okay, now we have this one equals 2 times. Isinimplify muna natin yung dalawang may parenthesis at saka naman yung exponent na 5 squared. Okay, 8 plus 4, 12. 42 plus 2, 44. Then 5 squared is 25. We have now 2 times 12 plus 44 plus 6 plus 25. Then, minultiply na natin ang 2 times 12 which is 24 plus 44 plus 6 plus 25. Then, 24 plus 44, kinopya natin. Then, inad natin yung 6 plus 25 which is 31. Then, what is next? Inad na natin ang 24 plus 44, ang sagot 68, plus 31, ang sagot 99. Therefore, the final answer for this given, number 4, is 99. Next, given number 5. 5 times the quantity of 3 plus 4 plus 7 minus 3 squared minus 10 plus 5. Okay, solution. Inuna natin ulit may exponent and parenthesis. 3 times 4 is 12. 7 minus 3 is 4 squared. Minus 10 plus 5. Then, this will become 5 times 12 is 60. Plus 4 squared is 16. Minus 10 plus 5. Kinopya lang. Then, 60 plus 16, 76. Minus 10 plus 5. Okay, then, 76, inuna lang natin i-add yung positive 5. 76 plus 5 is 81. Minus 10, ang magiging sagot dito ay 71. Okay, therefore, the final answer for this given number 5 is 71. Do not forget to subscribe my channel, Review Math Always RMA channel. Thank you.